What we do here is go back.
Going on YouTube, Mr. 75 Pete back with another video. Come out here to show you all the truck. So you know we got that motor in. I didn't get too much footage of pulling the other one out and putting this one in because I was kind of in a hurry doing it. So we still got to get everything hooked up on it. But there she is. So I got all the bags on this stuff because I had time to pressure wash it off yesterday. I've been keeping it covered up. See, it ain't got a transmission in. I got to put my transmission back in. I did it just the motor, like I said, because we was in a hurry, and I had to get the forklift back the next day. So we just did what was heavy, the heaviest part, what we needed the forklift for. Now it's just to pick up the engine. But she's sitting in there. Like I said, just got to hook everything up. I'm gonna stick that transmission back in soon. I'm gonna clean it up and go through it and everything, but here she is, guys. She's sitting in there. And got all these birds out here. Hope y'all can hear me. But yeah, so like I said, these bags just covering up everything. I didn't want no water going down in, so. But we pulled, it was a weekend job on Saturday. Saturday we pulled a B model out, and Sunday we dropped this in. Shoot, we had it sitting in there. We started, what, 8 or 9 in the morning. We had it dropped in there. We was probably finished about 1:30, 2 o'clock. But like I said, we had other stuff to do, so we just sat the motor in there. And I had washed it off yesterday and put some paint on it, but I ain't gonna paint it today because you can kind of see it's wet and it's raining and stuff, so I'm gonna wait till it dry up. But I had to take what I had to change. I had to take and put the motor mount off that came on the B model. I had to put on here. See, it got 3 bolts, and this one. That's how the B model made got 3 bolts, and then you see it was extra 2 on the ones that came on here. But like I said, the bolts right up, it's the same. I had to change it because the front mount was different. That the front mount on the other engine, the holes was like 6 inches apart, but these right here ain't that far apart, so I just changed it. As you can see, everything tightened down in there. What else I did? Changed the crank pulley so I can use my pulley. Like I said, I had to clean it up some, but I changed the crank pulley over to the one off the B model. It looked like it's the exact same. So I changed the mount, pulled everything out, changed the mount. This is the balancer that came on this engine. I just you take it, knock the center out, then it comes rather loose. Put the new one up and change it out, put it on there. See, like this the fan and everything off the B model. Just got it hanging here. I mean, I was looking, feel like everything's going to work, but it's just sitting here because I was just trying to kind of get everything mocked up and see what was going to work and what ain't going to work. See, I had to turn this bracket upside down to put the alternator on here. I'm not 100% sure if this where the alternator going to stay or I'm going to end up moving it because I don't know how it's going to be having clearance issues or whatever. Feel like when it was flipped the other way, it was hitting the frame. So I flipped this plate around and did it this way. Got the bolt coming through the back. That's how it is. Like I said, you can move the bolt, tighten it up, whatever you need to do. But like I said, that's how it is for now. I'm sure it probably ain't gonna stay like that. Got a lot of other stuff to move around. Got to figure out how I'm gonna put my AC compressor on. But that's, you know, it's down the line. Going to move this filter somewhere. I don't know where I'm going to move it to. Trying to see where it's running to. But yeah, probably gonna end up moving that out the way. Put all my fittings in and run back to the sleeper, but we'll get there. Change the hoses. I gotta put my radiator back in. But I was wanting to get some of this other stuff done first before I set the radiator back in. I already got my wiring harness made. See, I got the plug covered up because, like I said, I was spraying that water down in there. So I'm gonna, see, still got a lot of grease in there. I might hit it with some more purple power. But like I said, I got my harness, got to run it up in the cab. Probably gonna end up running it up through here some kind of way into the inside. What else? That's probably about it on the engine side. Like I said, I'm gonna try to give y'all a quick video for the rain come back. But like I said, for the main part, she's sitting in there. Just got to get everything hooked up. I ain't been out here messing with it today, like I said, because it's raining. But this filter, that filter and pump and everything, all this come off the B model. So I had to run on my fuse line. I got to get the fuel water separator. I got to either take the one off the B model and try to mount it some kind of way, or I'm gonna have to get one like on the door truck and kind of, you know, set it to the side. Like I might, like I said, I just noticed this bracket right here. I might try to make something right here to where I can put my fuel water separator, because I don't see no way to mount the other one. But like I said, I still had to get it off the old motor. But when I get it off, I'll figure all that out. But see, I got everything kind of marked. I got it marked with painter's tape. Tell you where everything go. It seem to be holding on. Hopefully it keep holding on, because like I said, I know it's got wet. Like you said, see, I got the hood off. Because the plans with the hood, I got the hood right here. See, the headlight fell out, but you know, got a new headlight. But y'all know we talking about these holes. I was talking about getting a whole nother panel, but I'm gonna see. Can I just save this one first? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all these out, take all these off both sides, and I'm gonna take a piece of plate on the inside. It's aluminum plate, because I believe there's aluminum, and weld it all the way around. And I'm gonna take body filler and fill in on the outside to make it all smooth before it get painted and everything. Hold on right quick, guys. All right, I'm back, guys. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm trying to patch the holes up. I had to order a new bracket to go right here, like on this side, for the lineman. Put that in. Try to get all that beat back straight. Try to straighten it all up. And if I had to buy a panel, it'll be because I had to. But I'm trying to save what I can. I'm trying to fix what I can. But like I said, if the body filler don't work, then I replace it. But I'm like I said, I'm gonna get some plate, cover up the hole and weld it in. Take body fill on the outside, make it all smooth. That way you don't know the holes was there. on that one right here. Oh, that's what his horn, or that horn at. I hope y'all can hear me over the train. But yeah, I've been looking over, it might end up getting new fenders and stuff. But I left it off so I could work on it. Y'all know the reason that it wasn't straight is because the bracket on the other side was broke all the way off. Yeah. But that's really about it, guys. And like I said, on the outside, you won't see all this be gone. And where all the holes at gonna be body filled in. Made it smooth. I'm try to bend all this stuff back straight. Take it and bend it back straight. Might take it to a body guy and let him do it, I don't know. If I can't do it, I take and let a body guy do it. And like places like this hole right here, gonna take it and probably patch it, do the same way with some body filler. Do it on both sides, take them regular horns off. But yeah, that's the main thing. Like you say, as you can see, this is her. And she got a new heart in there. You know, last time you seen it was sitting on the stand, but she got a heart in there now. She's got to get everything hooked up. I can't mess with it a little bit yesterday, but I ain't messing with it today because, like I said, it's been raining out. There's one to drizzle now a little bit. Yeah, everything going decent for now. I mean, I hope it keeps going decent, but everything looks good. One thing I got to do is that's the oil pan out the B model, and I accidentally broke it because it was kind of caught one side and ran a bolt in it and broke it. But I got to get so I'm probably gonna need, if I can't get that pan fixed, I'm gonna get another pan. Probably get one from the junkyard because I need a real sump pan. The pan on the pan that came on here, it was front sump, and like some of them can be reversed, but that one couldn't. So that's the thing with that. Let me see, we got all these little sensors and stuff we got to redo. What else? Got the dipstick tube up there. Got to relocate it back here because that's where they're gonna be real sump. So yeah. But yeah, guys, that's what's been going on. I know I ain't put no video up in a while. I've been busy and having a lot of stuff going on in life. Like, you know, last video, I was telling y'all I had lost my granddad. So then, I don't know if y'all remember, you know, I had the guy that was ripping out my interior for me. My neighbor, he passed away also. So I've been dealing with a lot of loss. So, but yeah, guys, that's been about it. She's coming along a little bit at a time. I just wanted to bring y'all a quick update. I'm gonna get it covered up because I'm starting to feel raindrops on my neck. So hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.